money and religion. Yes. Today I'm going to talk about this. Before shooting this video, my team was begging me, sir, please, ये video record mat karo. This can go anywhere, right? But the people can take it in the wrong sense. But I told them, dude, you're at the Goela School of Finance community. यहाँ पे we are not talking about your emotional biases. यहाँ पे we are only talking logic. And this video I'm going to tell you how money and religion should be separate, but now they're intermingling. And if you feel that this is a video you want to watch and you can be in a situation कि आप emotional ना हो and you just think logically, if that's possible for you, my friend, watch this entire video. Otherwise, I'm going to see you in the next video. So, let's get started. Hi guys, my name is Goela, an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets, and we provide a full stock market mentorship program from the very basic to the advanced, from investing to trading. If my friend you're interested in it, be sure to register yourself for that program and link is mentioned in the description below. अब बात करते हैं money and religion. I know a little controversial, but this is something that we need to understand and very important. But first thing, why am I talking about this? Because you asked me to talk about this. You gave me so many comments to make an entire playlist of manage money like a monk. Manage money like a monk. Manage money like a monk. और इस वीडियो में यही मिल रहा है because of all these comments you've given. So this is one of the first videos of this entire playlist where I'm going to talk about religion and money. Now, सबसे पहली चीज़, let's talk about religion. ठीक है? Now, बहुत लोगों के बहुत different takes होते हैं. Some people say that, Harsh, if we didn't have religion, we human beings, हम उस सिचुएशन में होते हैं कि हम सब हार्मनी में रह रहे होते हैं. Because आप खुद देखोगे, ultimately, human beings fight and whatever history में देख लो जो भी fights वगैरह हुई हैं, religion has had a major role to play in it, right? So, factually, मतलब अगेन देयर आर नो फैक्ट्स इन दिस, बट येस, जो लोग ये कमिट करते हैं कि रिलीजन से बहुत फाइट्स होती हैं, एक एंगल से वो सही है. मतलब एक थ्योरी से यू कैन नॉट प्रूव देम रॉन्ग बिकॉज देयर आर नो फैक्ट्स इन दिस, बट मैं किसी और चीज़ में बिलीव करता हूँ. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, माई फ्रेंड, योर रिलीजन इज़ योर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट एसेट. आपका धर्म आपके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Again, giving a disclaimer, I'm not talking about Hindus, I'm not talking about Sikhs, I'm not talking about Buddhists, Christians, Muslims, Jews, I'm not talking about anyone in specific. मैं सिर्फ religion on an entire concept की बात कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है? So please don't think for the fact कि अरे हर्ष ये कैसे बोल दिया. मैं किसी particular religion पे नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I respect all religions and that's it. So I'm just talking about religion on the concept. Now I feel religion is very important to us. If you take my religion from me, you are breaking me as a person. If I take your religion from you, I am breaking you as a person. And you might feel, आजकल हमारी youth है जो सोचती है कि हर्ष, I don't really care about religion. ठीक है, I don't follow them. ठीक है, at least in metropolitans I've seen this. I don't know बाकी में क्या है. But I'll tell you my logic. Why do I feel religion is so important? कभी ऐसा हुआ है that you go in a lift, ठीक है, वहाँ पे लिफ्ट में गए आप और वहाँ पे शीशा लगा है, आप जाओगे, वो करोगे, ठीक है, बाल बनाओगे, फिर यू विल मे बी डू सम वियर्ड डांस मूव्स, फिर आप फ़ोन निकाल लोगे, फिर फोटोज़ खींचना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगी, राइट? हैव यू डन इट? लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, ऑल ऑफ अस आर गिल्टी ऑफ डूइंग दिस. हम सब ने कर रखा है वो. नाउ थिंक अबाउट दिस. जब आप ये सब कर रहे हो, आपको देखा उस लिफ्ट में तो कैमरा है, कैमरा लगा हुआ है वहाँ पे, तो आप क्या करोगे? आप लिफ्ट को देखोगे, जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द फ्लो टू कम. Am I right? जैसी वो कैमरा आपको दिखता है, the entire situation changes. Why? Because till the time you feel that someone is watching you, हम human beings ना, and it's not only with you, this is with me, this is with everyone. We like to be in a proper order. Right? अब, according to me, this is my opinion, that camera is like God to us. You and me, my friend, we will stay in our morality. हम एक human ethics follow करेंगे. क्यों? हमें क्या लगता है? भगवान हमें देख रहा है. बुरा करोगे, पाप चढ़ेगा. Do this, you will be sinned. I only want to do good. Why? Because I want to go to heaven. Why? Because God is watching me. Now just imagine if you remove that thing that God is watching you, human beings में तो कुछ ethics रहेंगे ही नहीं. दो टाइप के ethics होते हैं. एक तो हो गया आपके constitutional ethics, those ethics that are laid down by the government, by the law. And another ethics होते हैं एक moral ethics, those ethics that are laid down by the religion. Those ethics are love your family, love everyone, क्या कहते हैं, help everyone, don't cheat anyone. Just imagine if you remove these things, तो कुछ ethical नाम की चीज बचेगी नहीं. This is why religion is so important for all of us. This is what I believe. If you agree with me, you can write it down. If you do not agree with me, which is completely fine, we can agree to disagree. You can write that down also. ठीक है? So सबसे पहले चीज religion important है. Now recently, बताओ what I've realized that ऐसा लगता है religion is one thing that everyone has an equal right to. Whether someone has money, if someone does not have money, religion में हम सबका equal right है. But आजकल ऐसा नहीं है. आजकल I feel that only the rich people are entitled to follow a religion, to be a religious person. Only rich people are entitled to be religious. ठीक है? And again, I'm not saying anything against the rich. I love the rich, right? So इसलिए तो I don't need to tell you anything. But आजकल मुझे ऐसा फील होता है जो गलत है ये तो आई अग्री, ये थोड़ा गलत है. आई टेल यू हाउ. अब आपको कोई मंदिर जाना है, मंदिर में बहुत लंबी लाइन है, धक्के खा खा के पहुंचे, बस हाथ जोड़ के 4 सेकंड आपको भगवान जी की मूर्ति देखिए, आपने 4 सेकंड प्रार्थना की एंड यू आर पुश्ड आउट. सेकेंड सिचुएशन में एक रिच आदमी आता है, ही हैज़ मनी, बैकडोर एंट्री, ही विल, पंडित जी हिमसेल्फ, द हेड पंडित विल गिव हिम द बेस्ट दर्शन दैट इज पॉसिबल. ठीक है? पूरे दिल भर के, जी भर के उनके दर्शन होंगे, तब जाके जब उस बंदे के सेटिस्फाइड तब वो जाएंगे. क्यों? Is God differentiating us on the basis of money? नहीं. तो why is someone bribing God कि एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देके उनके पास जा रहा है? क्यों? ये गलत नहीं है. Again, I'm not talking about if someone is handicapped or someone is old. वो तो obviously they should get a benefit. I'm talking normal things. So please थोड़ा normally सोचो. उसको extreme condition में ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Right? So क्यों? Does this make sense? नहीं. If you actually think about it, people do charity in religion. That for religion, from this temple or that masjid or that church or that gurudwara, I'm giving so much, I'm giving so much, I'm giving so much. That's good. That ये अच्छी चीज़ है, देना चाहिए आपको. But don't put your name with it. अगर आप अपने नेम के साथ बोल रहे हो, मैं पूरा माता की चौकी रखवाऊंगा, मैं पूरा लंगर रखवाऊंगा, ठीक है, अगर वो आपके नाम पे हो रहा है, you've lost all the good vibes जो आपको चैरिटी से मिलती है. you've lost that. Why? Because already you have got that acknowledgement and you have got that entitlement because you are doing that donation. Actual donation, actual charity हमेशा anonymity में ही होती है. You have to remain anonymous. See this video जो मैंने बनाई थी on how to do charity. Basically वो मेरा reason था why you should do charity. So definitely watch that. Actually that video was so good that I can actually put that money in this playlist of Manage Money Like a Monk. Actually, I'm going to do that, right? So watch that video after this video. And yeah, so if you want to, you know, अगर आपको कुछ करना है, if you want to make a कुछ बड़ा religious event आप करना चाहते हो, और actually you feel it, that's why you want to do it. That's excellent. Do it. Nobody is stopping you. It's a very good thing. But don't attach your name to it. Because when you're attaching your name, you're getting acknowledgement, you're getting entitlement, and let's be honest, that is why you're doing it. So मैं तो आपको यही बोलूँगा, let's keep money and religion separate. If you want to be religious, no, don't be religious by spending money on these religious activities. Be religious in spirit. Believe what God preaches to us. Believe what morals we get. Express those morals, spread love. That is a true religion. Follow your religion. So yeah, so this was this video. I don't know how much will you appreciate it, and I have no idea कि आप इसको किस sense में लेने वाले हो, but I can only tell you this: I respect all religions from the bottom of my heart. This is something that I wanted to share, जो मैंने notice किया है. If you have noticed this video, if you have noticed such a thing that हाँ हर्ष, मुझे भी ऐसा आज लगता है that rich are entitled to being religious और बाकी को entitlement ही नहीं मिल रहा है. So if you think which is wrong, राइट? इफ़ यू थिंक दैट इज़ द केस तो नीचे कमेंट करके लिखो. इफ़ यू डू नॉट अग्री विद मी, नीचे कमेंट करके लिख लो. ऑल ऑफ अस वी कैन अग्री टू डिसएग्री. दिस वाज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट वीडियोस ऑफ मैनेज मनी लाइक अ मॉन्क, और इसकी बहुत और इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस आने वाली हैं. सो प्लीज़ बी श्योर टू वॉच आउट फॉर ऑल ऑफ दैम, एंड लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. And if you want to know how to choose good quality stocks, if you want to know how to choose good quality stocks for investment, my friend, क्या कर रहे हो? मेरा वेबिनार का लिंक नीचे है. Join me at my stock selection webinar masterclass wherein I tell you how to choose quality stocks. If you're interested in that, link of that is in the description below. Feel free to check it out. एंड what else? बहुत सारी वीडियोस बनाई हैं. स्क्रॉल करो, देखो, हर चीज़ को लाइक करो और चैनल को प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो. इट रियली हेल्प्स अस लॉट. वेल, थैंक यू सो मच. गिव माई लव टू योर यंग वंस. गिव माई रिगार्ड्स टू योर फैमिली. This is Harsh Goela from Goela School of Finance, financially empowering you.